Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Today we are talking about Beauty Blender. I ordered it online, and yes, there is some controversy surrounding the colors that were released. She released 32, but there's controversy around there's not enough light and not enough dark. I'm just going to talk about the product, not the controversy surrounding the product. So if you're here for that tea, you got the wrong channel. I really don't do tea. TEA, yeah. So let's talk about the product. Is it good or is it not? So I bought a new beauty blender just to use with the product and I needed another beauty blender. So, you can't have too many of them. So what is this product? It's full coverage, which is great. I like full coverage. It's matte. It is a weightless liquid whip foundation with a multi-dimensional velveteen matte finish that wears for up to 24 hours. Huge claim. And how do you use it? You hold the bottle at a 45-degree angle and dispense foundation into the reservoir to create a surface for mixing. Alternatively, pump directly onto your sponge or skin. That's me, probably. Use a damp beauty blender, fingertips, or a brush to apply foundation to the center of the face and work outward. Build and layer for desired coverage, bouncing it on with your beauty blender for skin mimicking texture. All right, let's open it. This was pretty. I got number 3.5 because 3.5 said that it was medium plus with warm undertones, and I have warm undertones, and I'm a little more tanned, so hopefully I got the right one. If not, of course I can exchange it, but hopefully I got the right one. Oh, thank me later, gotta bounce. That's cute. Rianne, founder and creator of Beauty Blender. Right in there it says that. That's cute. It's pink. Oh, this came out with some weight. I wasn't expecting it to be heavy. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. Oh, this is where you're supposed to dispense it, and if you're like a makeup artist type and want to feel that way, yeah. That's cute. It has a lock button too. Look at that. Oh. This feels like tempered glass. It feels like glass. You get 1 ounce, and this is made in Italy, guys. This is made in Italy. Woo woo. Fancy. And it says the number at the bottom, which is kind of nice because sometimes, the number rubs off or the color rubs off, and like my favorite lipstick, I've had it for so long, it's one of those things where I don't know what color it is, but that's nice. I like it. This right here is plastic, but I like it. It's pretty. It's different. And it says Bounce Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation. And it is $40. So let's get to it. I'm excited to see how it works, especially it being just full coverage. So I have my beauty blender, and let's see. Pump it out. Oh, okay. Well, that's one pump. Let's try one pump, shall we? Okay. I may have gotten a too light of a shade. I've already moisturized my face and obviously put my eyebrows on. Okay, there is an obvious difference from this side to this side. Let's put another one on. One more. This is really nice. Like, it doesn't spill or anything. I like that. I like that design. That's 2 layers. Let's do another layer. I definitely got too light. As I layered it on, you can see, like, yeah, I went, this is probably my winter color. But it looks pretty. It looks really pretty. That applied really pretty. Let's try it with our fingers. You know how I love applying stuff with my fingers. So let's just do one pump on my finger and see how far that goes. All right, guys. So I put 3 layers over here and I have 2 layers over here. I could have put another layer over here probably too. But when I apply it with my fingers, it feels like a bit of a mess, and probably because I probably could just use one pump for my whole face if I so choose to with my fingers, because I was just, as you saw, swishing it around and trying to get it to blend in, but I had a lot of product. So one pump goes a long way. And this is a pretty foundation. Like, this does not look cakey. It's pretty. It's pretty. Definitely this is not my color. This is my color in the winter. So I need to probably go 2 to 3 shades darker, because you can see it's a bit of a difference, just a little bit. But that's not their fault. That's my fault. So yeah, let me put on the rest of my makeup and come back and talk about it. All right, guys, so I put minimal makeup on, some mascara and some lipstick, and I set the makeup. So it's a beautiful foundation. It is lovely. Love the packaging. Love the way it applies with the Beauty Blender. And love the finish. However, I got the wrong color. So I went in there to my husband before I came back. I said, okay, sweetie, what do I look like? And he goes, ghost? I said, yes, I got the wrong color. So yeah, so that kind of messes up. I have to, if I'm going to go out today, I need to put on a different foundation, because my face looks a lot brighter than the rest of my body. But yeah, I'm going to just exchange it. So I believe this comes out in Sephora stores August 10th, and I'll just exchange it for a different color. But this is really pretty. This is really pretty. And I like it a lot. So if I didn't get the wrong color, I will wear this today. But I can't go outside because I look like a ghost. So not literally, it's just lighter. But yeah, I like the foundation. And yeah, so this was a quick review, or first impression, because I was going to do a review and see how it wears and all that stuff, but you know, I can't go out with this shade on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick first impression of the Beauty Blender Bounce. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye. Yeah, this is pretty. This is pretty.